Hello everyone, As-salamu alaykum. Welcome back to day 4 of our 30-day Ramadan transformation series. If you are new here, my name is Zaina, but you can call me Z for short. And this series is all about helping you glow up spiritually, mentally, and physically this Ramadan. Before we dive in, I want you to take a deep breath and ask yourself, what is my real intention this Ramadan? Because today we are talking about Niyyah, intention, and how it can completely transform your Ramadan experience.
احسب أن الدين بعيد عن حب وحياة وبهجرك للدين ستحيا تعشق ما.
Ramadan isn't just about fasting, it's about purifying our hearts, realigning our purpose, and strengthening our connection with Allah. And the key to making the most of this month is to start with the right intention. Now that we understand the importance of intention in Islam and how it shapes our entire Ramadan experience, let's get into the practical steps, because having a sincere intention isn't just about saying it once, it's about aligning it with our hearts, our actions, and our mindset every single day. So, here are 10 powerful ways to set the right niyyah for Ramadan, followed by 10 practical tips to help you maintain that niyyah throughout the month. Let's make this Ramadan truly meaningful, inshallah. So, number one is to make your intention for the sake of Allah alone. The Prophet ﷺ said, actions are judged by intention. If we fast just because it's a tradition or because everyone else is doing it, we are missing the true essence. Make sure your niyyah is solely for seeking Allah's pleasure. Number two, be specific with your intentions. Instead of a general, I want to be a better Muslim, make your intention clear. Like, I want to pray on time every day. I want to memorize Surah Al-Mulk. I want to memorize Surah Al-Baqarah. I want to give sadaqah consistently. Number 5, intend to make every action an act of worship. Everyday tasks can become acts of ibadah. With the right niyyah, eating, sleeping, walking, and even resting can be acts of worship if done with the intention of pleasing Allah. Number 6, ask Allah to strengthen your niyyah. Make dua, Ya Allah, purify my heart and make my intention sincere for you. Sincerity is a gift from Allah, and we should ask Him for it daily. Number 7, set intentions for self-discipline and inner peace. Ramadan teaches us control, not just from food, but from anger, distractions, and bad habits. Make it your niyyah to practice patience and self-control this month. Number 8, intend to strengthen your relationship with the Quran. One of the best ways to reset your niyyah is to reconnect with the Quran. Make the intention to recite daily, understand the meaning, and apply it to your life. Number 9 is to intend to improve your character. The Prophet ﷺ said, the best among you are those with the best manners. Use this month to be more patient, kind, and forgiving. Last way I will be sharing with us to set our niyyah right is to intend to make this your best Ramadan yet. Your mindset shapes your Ramadan experience. Start Ramadan with the belief that this will be your most transformative one, and Allah will bless your efforts. Now, let's move to the practical ways to strengthen and maintain your niyyah. Number 1 is to write down your intentions. Keep a Ramadan journal to track your goals and intention. Seeing them written down keeps you accountable. Number 2, start every act with Bismillah. Saying Bismillah before doing anything is a simple way to remind yourself why you are doing it, which is for the sake of Allah. Number 3, reflect before breaking your fast. Before iftar, ask yourself, did I stay true to my niyyah today? If not, adjust for the next day. Number 4, surround yourself with people who uplift you. The company you keep affects your mindset. Be around those who inspire you to stay on track. Number 5, use social media intentionally. Unfollow distractions and follow accounts that motivate and remind you of your goals. Number 6, set daily intentions for prayers. Before each salah, pause for a second and set a specific intention for that prayer, whether it is gratitude, seeking guidance, or asking for strength. Number 7, make a dua list. Write down all the things you want to ask Allah for and go through them daily. Number 8, keep your intentions private. Sincerity comes from doing things for Allah without seeking validation from others. Number 9, set a reminder to renew your niyyah. You can use alarms or sticky notes to remind yourself to realign your intention throughout the day. And the last, which is keep making istighfar, seeking forgiveness. Our hearts can sometimes shift without us realizing it. Regular istighfar helps purify our niyyah and keep us on track. So always remember to do your istighfar. Your niyyah shapes your entire Ramadan experience. When your intentions are clear and sincere, your actions become more meaningful and your connection with Allah deepens. So tell me, what is that one niyyah you are setting this Ramadan? Drop it in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so more people can benefit. See you tomorrow for day 5 of our Ramadan transformation series, inshallah. As-salamu alaykum.
أحسب أن الدين بعيد عن حب وحياة